this historic milestone. For 50 years, commitment to constitutional guardianship and steadfast commitment to the rule of law is not just a milestone. They reflect an institution forged through service, struggle, and stewardship. As the apex constitutional court of the region, the Supreme Court of Azad Jammu Kashmir has masterfully navigated a unique legal and political landscape with dignity, clarity, and courage. Ladies and gentlemen, as we reflect on the 5-decade journey, we must also look forward with humility, resolve, and strategic vision. The road ahead is not without challenges. The justice sector in Azad Jammu Kashmir, like elsewhere, faces the twin pressure of rising caseloads and public expectations alongside growing demand for technological modernization, procedural efficiency, and citizen-centric service delivery. The barriers to access, particularly for women, children, and marginalized communities, continue to test the inclusiveness of our judicial systems. And most important, strengthening public trust through integrity, impartiality, and consistent accountability remains a top priority. These may not be straightforward goals, but they are achievable with collective will and coordinated effort. Honorable Chief Justice, I would like to take this opportunity to reaffirm the full constitutional, institutional support of the Supreme Court of Pakistan to the judiciary of Azad Jammu and Kashmir in all reform initiatives. My brother, Justice Mazhar Ali, just informed me that he had committed to extending all support on automation. He heads the automation committee. I say, in any respect that you require, we are there, and we stand ready. We stand ready to share experiences, extend technical cooperation, and jointly build a future where the quality and accessibility of justice is strengthened across the board. Now, it is indeed very heartening to witness through this celebration the spirit of judicial fraternity between Pakistan and Azad Jammu Kashmir. I must say, presence today of my brother judges and respected members of the bar from across Neelam Valley is but a clear hallmark of hope and strength between Pakistan and Azad Jammu Kashmir. And let this strong union be for all to witness. I earnestly urge my brother judges and my respected bar members of Azad Jammu Kashmir to keep 3 foundational fundamentals in mind in progressing with their future. I earnestly state, firstly, it is neither us sitting on the bench, nor and mind you, without this cohesion between the 2 pillars, there can be no guarantee for preserving the rule of law or to ensuring any reform to go forward. Thirdly, and finally, that technology has to be integrated in the justice delivery process. Only then can the ultimate aim be achieved. What is the ultimate end? Justice delivery to become efficient, transparent, and above all, citizen-centric. Ladies and gentlemen, let me conclude by commending Chief Justice Raja Saeed Akram Khan and his team for arranging this remarkable event with such vision, depth, and thoughtfulness. Thank you very much. The Golden Jubilee is not the end of the journey. It is a point of renewal. May it inspire the next generation of jurists, reformers, and public servants to carry forward the mantle of justice with courage, compassion, and an unshakable commitment to constitutional supremacy. Thank you. Pakistan and Azad Jammu Kashmir, Zindabad and Pahindabad.
जुडिशल कॉन्फ्रेंस की गोल्डन जुबली तकरीब इस वक्त जारी है और अब से थोड़ी देर कबल चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ पाकिस्तान जस्टिस याह्या आफरीदी की जानिब से खिताब किया जा रहा था। कहा कि साइलिन की दाद रसी अव्वलीन तरजीह होनी चाहिए। गोल्डन जुबली पर आज़ाद जम्मू कश्मीर की सुप्रीम कोर्ट को मुबारकबाद पेश करता हूँ।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।